Hey, welcome back to Lahitro Bank. My name is Adam. Have you ever called a customer support line and felt like you were talking to a robot? Well, imagine if that robot wasn't just a scripted menu or a chatbot, but an AI that actually replaces entire customer support teams. And businesses aren't just tolerating it, they're loving it. Today, I'm going to break down why this is happening, how it works, and why it's creating both controversy and massive value in the real world. Let's start with the obvious. Customer support is one of the biggest costs for businesses. Hiring teams, training them, paying salaries, managing shifts, dealing with errors. It's expensive and exhausting. For many companies, support is a necessary evil. You can't ignore customers, but you also can't afford inefficiency. Enter AI. Modern AI isn't just about answering frequently asked questions anymore. It's about understanding context, handling complex interactions, and learning from experience. These AI systems are trained to respond naturally, solve problems, escalate intelligently, and even suggest solutions before a customer asks. That's why businesses are starting to replace human teams entirely, or at least drastically reduce them. Here's how it works in practice. The AI is connected to multiple channels: email, chat, social media, and even voice. When a customer reaches out, the AI reads a message, analyzes intent, checks past interactions, and generates a personalized response. If it's something simple, the AI handles it instantly. If it's complex, it escalates the ticket to a human, but only when necessary. Now, here's what makes this controversial. People worry that AI replacing support teams means job losses. And yes, that's a real concern. But the businesses that implement AI correctly aren't just cutting costs. They're improving service quality. Response times go down, errors go down, and customers feel like they're being heard quickly. Let me give you an example. One company integrated AI into their support system. Before AI, customers had to wait hours or even days for responses. After AI, initial responses were almost instant. Solutions were suggested proactively, and human agents only handled edge cases. Customer satisfaction actually improved, while the company saved thousands in staffing costs. And here's the really interesting part. The AI learns from every interaction. Every question, every complaint, every praise becomes data. It uses this information to improve responses, anticipate issues, and even suggest product improvements. Over time, the AI becomes more effective than a team of humans ever could be, simply because it never forgets, never gets tired, and never loses focus. Now, I want to be clear. This doesn't mean humans are completely gone. Businesses still need oversight, strategy, and empathy for complex or sensitive situations. But for the bulk of daily support work, the repetitive inquiries, troubleshooting steps, order questions, the AI is enough. And the results speak for themselves. Faster resolution, happier customers, and significantly lower costs. So why are businesses loving this? Let's break it down. First, cost efficiency. Replacing or augmenting support teams with AI drastically reduces payroll, training, and scheduling headaches. Second, consistency. AI doesn't have bad days, fatigue, or mood swings. It responds the same way every time. Third, scalability. During peak demand, AI can handle thousands of requests simultaneously, something humans can't do without huge teams. Here's the part that blows most people away. AI can proactively assist customers. Instead of waiting for questions, it can analyze usage patterns, detect potential problems, and reach out with solutions before a customer even knows there's an issue. That level of service used to be impossible without a massive support team. Of course, there are challenges. AI can misunderstand intent if instructions are vague or context is complex. It also lacks emotional intuition. That's why human oversight is still needed for delicate situations. But the combination of AI handling routine work and humans handling complex work creates a hybrid model that's more efficient and effective than a fully human team. Let's talk about why this is controversial online. Some people argue that AI will take all the jobs, while others argue that it frees humans to focus on higher value tasks. Both sides are right. AI replacing customer support teams does reduce the need for large staff, But it also allows humans to work on strategic roles like customer experience design, process improvement, and personalized engagement. From a business perspective, this is a no-brainer. Faster responses mean happier customers. Happier customers mean more loyalty. More loyalty means more revenue. And all of this is happening while keeping operational costs down. That's why companies are rushing to adopt AI for support. Another reason businesses love AI is data insight. Every interaction generates valuable data about customer preferences, pain points, and product performance. AI systems can analyze these patterns instantly and provide actionable insights, something a human team could never do at the same scale. Now, here's the most fascinating part. AI support systems improve continuously. They learn from every ticket, message, and conversation. They notice patterns humans might miss. They adapt to changing customer behavior in real time. A team of humans could take months to implement similar improvements. AI does it automatically. And that's why this topic has both controversy and intrigue. People worry about jobs, but businesses see huge ROI. Customers get faster support. Humans focus on higher value tasks. And AI gets smarter every day. It's disruptive, but in a way that creates real-world business value. Finally, here's the key takeaway. AI replacing customer support teams isn't about eliminating humans. It's about amplifying efficiency, scalability, and quality. Businesses are investing because it saves money, improves service, and provides insights that weren't possible before. And for anyone watching, this is a signal of where the workforce and technology are headed. The future isn't humans versus AI. It's humans working alongside AI, designing systems, overseeing complex issues, and letting intelligent machines handle the repetitive, time-consuming work. And if you understand how this works today, you'll be ready to leverage it for your own business, career, or side hustle. So the next time you get a lightning-fast support response online, remember, it might not be a human on the other end. And businesses are loving it. If you like this video, then hit that like and subscribe button if you want more deep dives like this.